How many brothers have you? How many sisters have you? How many friends have you? How many books have you? How many dresses have you? How many coins have you? How many copies have you? How many rupees have you? How many fingers have you? How many thumbs have you? How many ears have you? How many legs have you? How many hands have you? How many eyes have you? How many members are in your family? How many rooms are in your house? How many students are in your class? How many teachers are in your school? How many colleges are in your city? How many schools are in your city? Thank you.